Absolutely. So yes and yes. I think let's start with definitions. We'll come back to DevOps. So public cloud is a massively shared set of infrastructure, typically centered in very large hyperscale data centers, where a single vendor provides a set of APIs to deliver a service catalog, meaning compute, networking, storage, database, caching, queuing. List goes on and on and on. I think Amazon has 124 services now, or plus. Every week they release more from those hyperscale facilities. Private cloud historically has meant a piece of software that is installed on equipment I purchase and put in my own data center that mimics much of the API compatibility of a public cloud. But today now means an environment where I am the only tenant as a customer of that installation. So no other end user can sit on the physical hardware that my infrastructure is running on outside of whom I've given access to. Multi-cloud means a combination of multiple public cloud providers or private cloud providers used in conjunction to deliver an application. So we're beginning to enter this world where cloud has really changed its definition. It's no longer just about consuming a externally hosted service. It's no longer about an on-premise environment. It's about how you actually deliver and consume services. As Randy began to touch on, it's around how do you speed up delivery of applications to the end user. And it's about how do you start to consume services from a service catalog instead of consuming VMs where you operate them as you traditionally, as IT has traditionally done. So DevOps plays a role in that, much like these microphones, right? Now you've got this service catalog, and you've got API calls where things are delivered inconsistently from provider to provider. So to me, DevOps is really about the practice of, as an enterprise engineering group, how do I begin to architect my applications and architect my approaches to cloud infrastructure in a way that builds compatibility against wherever I go.